Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's makeup tutorial. As you can see, I was really excited to film this video for you guys because I finally got my hands on the Dose of Colors and IluvSarahii collection, and I was really excited to support our beauty community girl here on YouTube, Karen. I met Karen a few years ago during New York Fashion Week at a Lulu's event, and she was so sweet, and she was already on the rise of her career, but she was just so sweet in person and just very encouraging, and she offered tons of advice, and it was just, I'll just never forget her kindness and her honesty and just the way that she spoke to me. It was as if I was like a friend. I mean, she was very, very kind in person. So when she announced this big collection years later, I was so excited to support her. And I'm a big advocate of supporting one another and supporting fellow women so we can get our businesses off the ground. That's the only way that we can thrive and basically take over the world, like Beyonce says, is by supporting one another. So I picked up the 2 lipsticks from the collection and the eyeshadow palette, which was the thing I was most excited to get, was the eyeshadow palette, and it did not disappoint, you guys. As you can see, the color payoff, the color range is beautiful. It's right in my alley. And this is the palette right here, which I showed in the tutorial, but I just wanted to show you guys once again. It's beautiful. I love the design on the packaging. It's just perfect for summer. It's so cute, and the color range is beautiful. These 2 colors right here are beautiful. This color I'm going to film a second tutorial because this color needs its own shine. Like, it needs its shine. I just didn't film it today, but I can't wait to film a look with this color. So I'm really happy for her. Congratulations, Karen. And yeah, let's get right into the video. It's probably gonna be really long, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Grab some iced coffee and some tea, and let's get started. Now that I have you guys all up close and personal to my eyes, here is the palette up close and personal. We're gonna basically work with these two colors right here. The first color we're going to take from the palette is this color right here, and this is called Finders Keepers, and it does have a little bit of fallout, so just make sure that you tap off the excess. I'm just going to apply this just right in my crease, just working that color in windshield wiper motions to make sure that it's like really blended out. This color is so pretty. It's like the perfect color for summer. I think this color would look so pretty just all over the lid all by itself. And I'm just gonna like bring a little bit of it out just to kind of wing it a little bit, not too dramatic. Where was this palette when I went to Puerto Rico? Like, where? I needed these colors. All right, next I'm taking Wanderlust, which is this just beautiful, rich brown color. It is so nice. And I'm using more of like a smaller tapered brush just so I could really get in my crease with this color. I'm gonna use this color to just really intensify this crease. I am obsessed with this color. Oh, this color is so beautiful. I'm gonna take this color, I'm just gonna start applying it to my lower lash line because I just want it to look like it's continuing. You see how it looks like it's just continuing from the crease into the lower lash line. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer. I'm using this like flat Morphe G10 brush, and I'm just gonna use this just as a guideline to carve out the crease and where I want the poquito más color to go. So I'm doing like a cut crease look, but obviously not, it's not gonna be all beautiful like other makeup artists do it, because I am not like a professional makeup artist, guys. Not like that. Ain't nobody trying to be like lying up in here, okay? Flat old school Sonia Kashuk brush, and I'm taking this gorgeous color right here. This is Poquito Más. I think this color is so pretty, and we're just gonna pack that in the area that we applied our concealer. There's a little bit of fallout with this color, so you want to make sure that you tap off your brush so you don't get any in your eyes or your contacts. Oh my gosh, I love this color. It's so pretty. Karen, thank you for this color, girl. So pretty. That into my inner tear duct. There is a little bit of fallout with this color, so you want to make sure that you tap off your brush. Pretty color, you're like in your mind, if you're Latina, you're just like un poquito más, un poquito más. Espérate, déjame ponerme un poquito más, which basically means like just a little bit more. It's just that color that you just want to put a little bit more. It's very, very cute play on words there. You've got un poquito más on that lid. I'm just gonna go back in with this beautiful color again, Wanderlust. And with that same little brush, we're just gonna apply it back into that crease just to kind of deepen out that crease and just carve it out a little bit. But when you do the concealer, it definitely gives you, it's so much easier to do this step because you've got that nice guideline nicely carved out. Just want to make it like a little bit more dramatic. Just like bring the color out a little bit. Skip this step if you want to keep it very natural and just rosy colored like this. I would skip this step, but I'm just going to go in with the color Loungy just a little bit, and I'm going in with this like really flat brush, and I'm just getting that color because I just want to apply a little bit on my my upper lash line, just a little bit. My camera overheated, but I'm going to show you really quickly what I did so I didn't waste time. So I took Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil and I put it up here. Ow! I put it right here on my upper tight line. And then I took this gorgeous color from Urban Decay. It's called Alkaline. And I put this one in my waterline a little bit lower, and then I smudged it out with that same flat shader brush. So it has a nice purpley smoky eye effect. So guys, so for lashes, I'm going to apply the Huda Beauty Samantha number 7 lashes. What? All right. We can fix it. We can fix it. So I'm going to work on this naked eye, and then I'll be right back so we can do the lips and I can finish up the rest of the face. A little bit of bronzer on and some highlight on already, but I want to use this color right here for my cheeks. So I'm just going to use this like, oh, I could have, I may have put too much on. Let's see. I think this color would be really pretty on the cheeks. Ooh, I like it. I'm gonna actually go in with a little bit of Poquito Más and put that as a highlight, see what it looks. Nice like pink silvery kind of highlight just to kind of like match everything. Necesitamos lip liner. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with MAC Spice lip liner. Let me just grab the palette to help me. I use MAC 5 lip liner for everything. All right, and the first color I'm going to use is Peachii. Number one, this packaging is so cute. You open it like this. It feels wet at first, but it dries really fast. And I want to take Nude Chica and place that in the center of my lips. A little picture right here. I feel like this color, I think it's called Aesthetic, maybe, I'm not sure. But this would probably look so pretty with that like really pretty dark color. But I like it with the light color. With the hair like that, yes, honey. I feel like I need to go somewhere, girl. Watching this makeup tutorial, I was so excited to finally film this video. I couldn't wait to get my hands on this collection, and I was really excited to support Karen. She's very sweet, and I am a big advocate of females supporting one another, supporting each other's dreams, and also supporting and putting the money into small businesses. So she's an entrepreneur, she's a dreamer. She is very sweet. When I met her in person, and I'm just really excited and so happy for her on all her success and blessings. So if you guys like this video and this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. I really love the way it came out. I'm probably gonna do it again this weekend to go out because I thought it just looks very glamorous. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Mwah! And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.